What's up, everybody? We're at Beech Raceway, Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's a pretty cool track, pretty place to race, and it's a nice day. I feel like all year we struggled with our car, but we're getting better and better every time. And this is a race I feel like we can finally prove that we got our car figured out. So I'm looking forward to this weekend. As long as nothing dumb happens, like some asshole guesses on me or something breaks on the starting line like a belt, I think we got a good shot at winning this race. He's not getting his stickers back till he starts acting like
JangAlang, not JangAlang.
I think if you run me, you should lose stickers off.
So Disco was lining the whole inside of his blower with stickers, and I said, "How long is that gonna last?" He said, "Oh no, we ain't having to do that yet." I said,
Okay, I can say that's by your track. Nobody, I think you were the first person to go down the lane full.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I should have lifted, but the car's driving so good now that we got the 1 inch of toe out of it.
Yeah, she knocked him off hard out there, didn't she?
Yeah.
I was behind earlier. That sucker is loose, sir.
Fuck that, not specific.
Yeah, we I mean, I feel pretty good about running beside him that close in his great car. So.
Yeah.
But the track's definitely way better out there.
Yes. Big difference. I think I didn't give Scott's near enough.
Big Country told me the track went from 119 to 109 out there. First pass and second pass.
That's not bad.
So we've been taking 2 off of that.
I like it.
Mile per hour left, like you said.
I can get after it more than Bill, probably.
I think it would have took more.
It's soft everywhere. It's just a nice, smooth, clean, no shake.
I had to have drove for that time because I could not see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never go in first. That's why I went in first, so I could figure out where the bumps were because I
Right.
couldn't see them.
Last weekend when we raced, that's how it was.
Yeah, and then I
you
lit
couldn't
up-
see the tree, so.
I lit up the top of and I seen yellow. I said, okay, I got it now.
Those are a little bit warmer now.
It's actually a little better that way because all you can see is the green light. You ain't focused about no people in the background or nothing. But it did suck going down the racetrack.
Yeah.
You know, it's almost worth, unless something breaks, it's almost worth not doing that first test pass.
Other than if everybody starts having that mentality, the track wouldn't come around for us.
Yeah, you're right.
So it's almost like, that's why, to be honest, like it'd be really good to just go scrub tires on it. Like put a really soft tune-up in it and put a new set of tires on it.
Yeah.
But yes, we needed it this time to see what
Yeah. Yeah.
parts look like. But
Parts.
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 Parts. That is probably one of the nicest, smoothest runs this thing's made in a long
Oh, it
time.
felt really good. I felt the front end up for a little bit, not as high as normal, but it did get it up about, I don't know, about 43.30. Here we go. Just old brick, but I keep it clean.
Be safe, baby. I love you. Be safe, man.
Good luck, Kyle. You're letting wood that motherfucker out there now. That track's right.
Brian was excited.
That track's fast right now.
Mustang.
This mullet's a lot cleaner.
Chain.
Fuck, I forgot
My
the
mud's
chain.
black. It looks like it's dirty.
No, I don't mean dirty. I mean like straight.
You gotta get it tightened up.
Billy Ray Cyrus.
He's got a real
So,
mullet.
you want me to say what I want to say and be pudding, or do you want me to be nice and not hurt your feelings?
What?
I was going to say, you want me to spend an hour working on your car in the morning, or do you want me to spend an hour fixing my hair to look
I
good?
like for you. That's what I like for you to do. I like for you to do that. Straight iron your mother.
Okay,
First thing.
so in the morning, when the car's not ready at all, I'm not getting yelled at,
But you'll have a nice looking mother.
but so I can do my hair. Is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's flat iron. It won't take 5 minutes.
I ain't got a flat iron.
You gotta get up early, bud.
Because like 6 o'clock
You
ain't
got
happening.
to do like the girls. You just got to get up an hour early,
No.
get your mullet right.
Get up an hour early and work on your car.
playing the video down there so I can tell him I left one.
Was he sad?
No, he was close.
You got him by about a car.
Yeah.
But you left on it too.
As soon as I lifted, he
No, I really didn't shake. It was just spinning just a little bit.
One faster than the other pass?
I don't know.
Sure looked it.
Yeah, it shows all the way cloudy at 3 o'clock.
Warmer. Getting chalkier.
Hot too.
Hot too.
Just came out of a motor. It's 100 and something degrees.
I bet Disco had this whole plan about how he went on stage, and I went ahead and turned on that bulb.
Is that what he said?
He said, fuck it, I'm still gonna make him wait. Saturday, we won the first round again. We gotta get rid of this can't get out of second and third round monkey off her back. So it's plan for today.
Who we got?
We got Kelley Mills first round. We wanted the right lane, we got the left, but other than that, feel pretty good about it.
I hope you hit him with the Mississippi Pat. Or I guess the Florida Pat?
Pretty run.
8.
My God.
Especially you did.
Martin. Made it to the 3rd round, so it's that monkey we need to get off her back. See how it goes. He's tough, but we can beat him as long as we do our job.
Good luck. Go to dinner or something, man. Good luck, Tom. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, bro.
Hey, be safe, man.
Good luck, man. You all right?
Go give him a hug.
Have fun on your first time on the start line. Across the scales. There was some people down there cleaning up some shit. So.
Good up here.